Hello, love. BOOZHOO neige Anishinaabe dog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. You are listening to the ghost of David Bowie. That's right. I'm calling from beyond the grave. Today I'd like to teach the Ojibwe word of the day. Today's Ojibwe word, as it were, Monadoo, spirit, 'cause that's what I am. I am a spirit. I am the ghost of David Bowie. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you will, please welcome the producer of and creator of the BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO podcast, Mr. Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons, come on stage, won't you?
Hey, thanks, David Bowie. That was a beautiful intro. I appreciate it. Hello, everyone. Yes, I'm Michael Lyons, and I'd like to thank the ghost of David Bowie for that lovely introduction.
Oh, it's nothing at all. I'm happy to do it anytime.
All right. Well, I'll talk to you later. So today's Ojibwe word of the day, Monadoo, spirit. And in the spirit of... Okay, so spirit can mean a number of things. For some people, spirit is like a ghost, the disembodied, the energy that animated the flesh after the flesh dies. Spirit is that which continues. For other people, spirit is like the feeling of something. It's almost the emotion, but it's deeper and more meaningful, like the spirit of Christmas, the spirit of giving, the spirit of, the spirit of the day, whatever. It can mean a number of things. So, before we get started, before I turn this over to Nana BOOZHOO, I'd like to dedicate this song to Steve Gerber. Steve is just a very generous supporter of the show.
Yeah.
And an old friend. He's very old.
Hi, Steve.
And he was just one of the cool adults in my life when I was a kid. And every once in a while he'll share my videos and stuff. So I wanted to dedicate this song to an old friend, Steve Gerber.
Oh, yeah. I think I know what time it is. It's time to get started.
Welcome to
what?
BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.
What'd you say?
I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Even Wayne Dum,
Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Wow. Niemand Wayne Dum, Niemand Wayne Dum, Niemand Wayne Dum,
Thank you, and good night.
Good night. We love you. Gizaka